Google is adding Gemini, its AI chatbot, into everything. That means there is a lot of your personal data being fed to the company that you might not know about. Every time you interact with Gemini, you are handing over much more than just your written questions and your thoughts. Your inputs are affecting the chatbot's answers, not just for you, but for other users as well. So here are 5 quick settings that you can change to make sure that your privacy remains protected. Number 1. If you want to stop Google from using your chats to train its models, you'll find this under Settings and Help, then Gemini Apps, Activity, and you can do this on desktop as well. 2. Gemini saves your chats by default, but you can turn that off entirely in the Activity menu, or just build up the good habit of deleting sensitive conversations when you're done. A bit of spring cleaning can save you a nasty shock later on. 3. Gemini can connect to your Google Drive, Calendar, Messages, and even third-party apps on your phone, which you might not want feeding the data-hungry machine. To change this, go through whatever is enabled and switch off anything that you don't actively use. 4. You can share a Gemini conversation via a public link, but that link can end up indexed by search engines, including Google itself. Now that means that your intimate conversations might be searchable and seen by anyone out there. And because chatbots constantly scrape the web to provide their own answers, that's more likely than you might think. Before you share anything, make sure that there's nothing personal or sensitive in it. And 5. Protect your Google account. That's the account itself. Gemini runs on your Google account, so make sure to enable 2-factor authentication there. That means even if someone gets your password, they can't actually access your information. Pro tip, that's actually something you should do on all your accounts, not just Google. Now, none of this makes Gemini fully private, but it does meaningfully reduce what Google can do with your data. And if you're still concerned, you can use a local LLM that runs entirely on your computer. We have a guide on that and much more, so for further tips on how to protect your privacy, hit the like, follow us, and check out pvcy.org/guides. Because the burden of protecting your privacy shouldn't just fall on you alone, and some of these settings should definitely be turned off by default. In essence, you should never have to opt out of something that you never knowingly opted into.